About 12:30 Wednesday afternoon, the turkeys down here are wet. We just had about an hour's worth of rain that just poured. So I'm going to go down and do a little assessment and see what damage we have done. We put some more oil on these rails this morning. I don't know if they're going to be any better or not. It's not, you can hear a little thunder there. It stopped raining right now, but it was coming down. I imagine we got an inch or more in an hour. Let's see right here, the water took off and created a little arroyo right through here. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's as deep as I've ever seen it. Where I'm concerned with, look over here on this side. That's pretty deep right there. Down here on the road, it's pretty bad. But I think here's where the culprit is. I don't know what I'm going to do. That gravel, there it is. We're all stopped up here. I've got a problem here now. My pipe's all clogged up, stopped up. This gravel, I'll have to dig all this gravel out. There was used to be a ditch right here. And now there's no ditch. It's all full of water, full of gravel. I've got to dig all that out, and I bet my whole pipe is full of gravel and no water can go through. So all the water came up here on the top of the road. See that? I got some water coming out on this end, but not much. Most of it came out here on the roadside and just destroyed the dirt in the road. Have to get all that fixed. I'll get out here with a shovel and a rake. Try to get some more of it back. I think my battery's going dead. We'll go down here for a bit and see what happened with our little creek bed. It's about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and this is what I've done for the last 2 hours or so. Kind of filled in all of the gullies and washouts. Took some off of the road over here. There's still quite a bit washout right through here, but I got enough to drive through. Right here it's pretty level. Up here on the high side, where the issue really started, I must have, I don't know, 5 or 10 wheelbarrows full of dirt that I think just rolled off of the side of the road down into the gully and then just washed right on down. The wire that we put, I don't know if you can see it, but we put some chicken wire all across there to keep the twigs and everything out. Well, that pine needles and mud and garbage and sticks got clogged in the wire, which was good, but it also stopped the water from going through, and in turn it just took another road, went right up here and down the side. So I don't know how to stop it. I may put another little wire barrier right up here somewhere. That'll stop the twigs and the mud and the pine needles and sticks and all, and let the water keep on going through. Still got to move all this dirt right here one day. I think I'll let it dry out. Of course, it's supposed to rain every day, so we'll have to see what happens.